Is content creation slowing you down? Struggling with writer's block or just not enough time in the day? I've got the perfect solution for you. Introducing Script Atlas, the ultimate AI-powered software for unlimited, high-quality content creation. With over 128 built-in scripts and integration with top AI engines like Chatgpt, this tool is a game-changer. Just imagine generating captivating blog posts, social media captions, and even entire video scripts and ebooks with just a few clicks. Script Atlas makes it possible without any extra API fees. You can even convert text to speech with 39 natural voices. Don't miss out on getting Script Atlas at a special discounted price. It has many bonuses like marketing prompts, PLR articles, and more. Head to the link in the description and get your copy today to supercharge your content creation. This software is perfect for content creators, marketers, or anyone needing fast quality content. Stop struggling and start creating with Script Atlas. Today, I want to show you a unique new software called Script Atlas that leverages the power of AI to help you easily create high-quality content. With Script Atlas, you can access over 128 built-in scripts that generate content through AI engines like Chatgpt with no API fees. It has a blog and article wizard to help you craft captivating posts and a powerful script editor to fine-tune your work. You also get a massive database of over 500,000 snippets and 750 marketing prompts to kickstart your content creation. The software can even convert text to lifelike speech using 39 different AI voices. Impressive. On top of all that, Script Atlas extracts top-ranked content from Google and Bing, allowing you to analyze and repurpose it using AI tools. It also has a chat log explorer to search your previous Chatgpt conversations quickly. Script Atlas is your ultimate AI assistant if you need help writing YouTube scripts like this, blog posts, social media captions, or even entire ebooks. The best part is, right now, you can get Script Atlas and tons of bonus materials for a special discounted price. This is perfect for content creators, online marketers, or anyone looking to leverage AI to work smarter, not harder, when creating content. So, to unlock the power of unlimited AI-generated content, check out Script Atlas using the link in the description below. Let me know if you have any questions. Content creators and marketers, we know how challenging it can be to churn out high-quality, engaging content consistently. Well, my friends, those struggles are over. Script Atlas puts the power of AI content creation right at your fingertips. With over 128 built-in scripts, you can generate personalized content quickly through AI engines like Chatgpt with no extra fees. It gets even better. This software has a massive database of over 500,000 content snippets and 750 marketing prompts to spark your creative genius. And if you need a voiceover, it can convert text to speech using 39 different AI voices. How cool is that? On top of all these fantastic features, Script Atlas allows you to search your previous Chatgpt conversations easily. I don't know about you, but that will help me be more productive and organized. You can now get Script Atlas and phenomenal bonus materials for a special discounted price. Head to the link in the description to get Script Atlas today.